To show you how to measure up the cockles, so make sure that you've got yourself some sort of measure. These are ones that we sell, but you can grab them from tackle stores or just cut something out of an ice cream lid or something. So cockles in South Australia need to be 3.5 centimetres wide. So to make sure that they comply, basically if they don't fit through, if they do fit through, they're no good, they need to go back to the water. Anything that doesn't fit through that gap is all good. So throw it in your bucket, take it home, kill a bait. Cheers for watching.